have to wear trousers or pants.
Totally. I was like, what's going on? I already had 3 cups of tea and a biscuit. I feel great.
Okay, today we're at the immigration office in Jakarta, Indonesia, and we're going to try and extend our 30-day visa into 60 days. Let's go. Hello everyone. We're here at the immigration office in South Jakarta. Now this could be an immigration office in Bali, it could be an immigration office anywhere else in Indonesia, but we're here in South Jakarta. So here it is, and normally it's quite exclusive actually. They don't let you film in here. So they said I could make a video, so here we go. Okay, so if you're visiting Indonesia, the tourist visa is a little bit confusing. We arrived and got a visa on arrival at the airport. And when we got to the airport, you can get what's called a visa on arrival if your country is applicable. So I'm from the UK, she's from Peru. I think the US and Canada, you can all get visa on arrival. It's around 500,000? I think it's 500, I'll put all the information in the subtitles. 500,000, and that will get you a stamp in your passport. Now, if you want to extend that, you can. You can extend it to another 30 days, but if you do that, you have to come to the immigration office, like this one here. And coming to the immigration office is a little bit confusing, but I'll put all the information below so you can understand the process. But what's cool about the immigration office is they have free drinks and free snacks here. So if you get your visa through the website, which is another option you can do, so you can get it through the website before you travel, and then if you want to extend it, you do it on the website. But then you don't have the fun of coming to the Great Immigration Office with all these cool people. Highly recommend. This is my 4th tea. If you're staying in South Jakarta, you have to come to the immigration office in South Jakarta. If you're staying in West Jakarta, you have to go to the immigration office in West Jakarta or give them an address in the area. Very important, because if you give them an address in a different district, they're going to just send you away and tell you to go there. So it's very important. You need to give them an address of an apartment or where you're staying in the same district as the immigration office. So that was definitely a gotcha. The 30-day extension was 500,000 rupiah. I'll put the conversion below. So not too bad. The other thing is you don't need an agency. Like we came here, we didn't wait. We maybe waited 4 minutes. You can see how empty it is. Look how empty it is. There's no one here. And it doesn't take 7 days, it doesn't take 3 days. You just come here, come before closing, it's pretty empty. Well, it was empty the whole time. You fill out 2 pieces of paper. The most important thing was you need a picture of your passport, a picture of your entry stamp, and a picture of your flight leaving. Now, if you're not sure when you're leaving, I recommend Malaysia Airlines. You get the highest ticket because they let you cancel for free at no charge, and they let you change your airline for free at no charge. So if you need a ticket just for purposes of leaving the country or getting a visa or getting in the country, Malaysian Airlines just get a flight to Kuala Lumpur and they give you the flexibility to change. Very important. A good tip too, if I didn't say so myself. So yeah, we came here, we give them the passport for 1 day, and we're going to come back tomorrow and get the passport. So 2 trips, not 3 trips, not 5 trips, just 2 trips. And I think the biggest thing, which I haven't mentioned yet, but the biggest thing is you have to wear trousers or pants for people living in America. So full-length pants like these. So I came here with my shorts. I actually have my shorts on underneath. You can see my short line here. And I was getting on the elevator, and this guy was like, whoa, 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 whoa. I was like, where's the dead person? I was like, here? Oh, my shorts. What's wrong with my shorts? They're not like they're here. They're pretty long shorts, but it was a no-no. It was like, no. And then he just produced this pair of pants in his hand in like 2 seconds. That's what I'm wearing now. And the reason the pants were so big, it was like they're the right height, but they were out here. So I was holding the pants like a bucket, like this. I was going on the elevator holding the pants. But then I've got this shoelace kind of deal. Oh, it's coming undone. I've got this shoelace to hold them up. So if you come here, dress appropriately, apparently. So dress conservatively. So wear pants. Don't show your shoulders. Don't show your knees. And no low cut tops. No bikinis, obviously. No, dress conservatively. Yes, that was the weirdest thing I've ever seen, someone going crazy over wearing shorts. But if you do forget, then there's a guy downstairs at the Southern Jakarta Immigration Office that will give you a pair of pants. A cool guy, although he does shout at you initially. But once he stops shouting, he should produce a pair of pants. And if you want to go toilet here, then bring toilet paper, because there is a hole in the floor and there's nowhere to sit, so you got to poop in the hole. So bring paper, maybe bring soap. I didn't see soap either. But yeah, that's about it. So if I think of anything else, you'll see it in a second. But as of right now, I'll see you in a second. Oh, and look at this thing. It's salted cheese cracker. It's definitely not the fourth one I've had. It's the fifth one. Adios. Okay, I'm just interrupting the video. If you want to pay for your application, they're going to give you a slip. You take that slip downstairs to floor 1, which is where we are now. It's sunny floor 1. And then you go to the ATM, because when you pay, you have to pay cash. So there's 4 ATMs in there. And then along from the ATM, again, all offices are going to be different. Along from the ATM is a bank right here. You go in the bank, you give them 500,000 with your paper. They'll give you a receipt and you take it back up to get the visa processed. And there's the bank right there. And there's the rules. Look at the rules while we're here. It's a lot of rules. Look at that. Wow. Okay, it's the next day. We had an email saying our visa had been approved, so it only took maybe 6 hours to get that email. Very quick. Now the waiting game begins. We've been here maybe 1 hour so far. Just waiting. Everything's been approved. They have our passport. Yeah, just gotta wait. I don't know why it takes so long to get a passport though. The whole process was super quick yesterday, but today, yeah. There's no AC. It's bloody hot here. Gonna have a quick peek. Quick peek. Okay. Alright, we got it. We got our visa extension. Another 30 days in sunny Indonesia. So, I think the worst things were lack of AC. It's really hot in there. And if you want to go upstairs, they make you wear pants. And then it's really hot. And the other thing, on the second day, there is a bit of a waiting time. It took around an hour or something, but the first day was super quick. So yeah, that was it. Okay, let us know how yours went below. Okay, see you next time. And we couldn't use the website. The website didn't work. I kept attaching my passport picture, and I don't know, it kept crashing. So anyway, we came down here to the immigration office. And to be honest, I've been to the immigration office in America, and I've never seen free snacks, I've never seen free drinks. We don't have nice comfy seats like these. It's pretty much a room of 300 people sitting on the floor like cavemen waiting to get their immigration things. And it could take 6 or 8 hours. And that's in the United States. But in Indonesia, we were here for maybe 20, 30 minutes. It was super quick, and everyone was really friendly. I was like, what's going on? I already had 3 cups of tea and a biscuit. I feel great. But yeah, the 30-day extension is only going to take 1 day, so we gave them our passport. We're going to come back tomorrow and get our extra 30 days. Yeah, to be honest, it was pretty quick. I'm actually really impressed. I've been to offices in the UK, America, and Peru. I think Indonesia is #1.